Ever wondered why a massive airdrop and a top-tier listing sometimes lead to a price crash? That's exactly what happened with Newton Protocol's $NEWT token after its highly anticipated debut on Binance and the HODLer Airdrop. Let's break down the price action, why it sold off, and what it means for the project going forward. The launch, hype and initial spike. Newton Protocol, an AI-driven automation project, was the 24th token featured on the Binance HODLer Airdrops. This program rewarded users who held $BNB and Binance Earn, essentially giving them free $NEWT tokens. Binance listed $NEWT on June 24, 2025, with a circulating supply of 215 million tokens. The initial market reaction was predictably explosive. The price soared, hitting an all-time high of around 82 cents to 83 cents shortly after trading went live. This massive initial surge was fueled by the hype surrounding a major exchange listing and the excitement of an AI crypto narrative. The price plunge, airdrop dump. However, the euphoria was short-lived. Almost immediately after the peak, the price action took a sharp, rapid turn downwards. Within hours of listing, $NEWT fell significantly, dropping to about 46 cents, and has continued to show downward pressure since, settling at significantly lower levels in the following weeks. In total, the price saw a drop of around 50% from its peak in the immediate aftermath. Why the dramatic correction? It boils down to a classic case of airdrop sell-off. The Binance HODLer Airdrop gave away $12.5 million NEWT tokens for free to thousands of BNB holders. For many of these recipients, they received tokens at a zero-cost basis. The moment the token listed and hit a high price, these airdrop recipients immediately started selling to realize their free profit. This huge surge in sell orders created massive distribution pressure, which overpowered the initial buying demand, causing the price to plunge. On-chain data confirmed this, showing trading volume soaring, often an indicator of strong momentum, but in this case, the volume was driven by heavy selling, not buying. This high volatility is common for a newly listed token in its price discovery phase, where the market is still trying to figure out the token's fair value. What's next for NEWT? For traders, the initial volatility has created a choppy market, with short-term forecasts suggesting further downside if selling pressure continues. For long-term investors, the focus shifts entirely away from the temporary airdrop mechanics and onto the core utility of Newton Protocol. $NEWT is the gas token for their AI-driven automation platform, used for staking, transaction fees, and governance. The initial price action is a short-term distraction. The real value will be determined by the project's ability to deliver its technology, verifiable on-chain automation and AI agents, and attract developers and users to its ecosystem. Keep an eye on key support levels and future development milestones, not just the launch day noise. The true price action is a marathon, not a sprint. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.